Our new COB LED strips give you seamless dotless illumination with easy installation. With standard LED tape, you typically see the individual LEDs, which can give you that dotted effect. However, with the COB strip, it's continuous, which ends up with a seamless illuminated effect. We also have the Pro series, which is our highest performing COB LED strip, built for brighter output, cleaner light, and a truly professional finish. These are also available as IP67 options, and as you can see, it's got a really good protective layer there, and also the 3M adhesive back, making for a really simple and easy installation. Within this range, we also have a wide variety of controllers, drivers, accessories, and extrusions. With the extrusions, we have a full range on offer, all available in different sizes and in different finishes, such as black and silver.